Hi! Welcome to I Question PH. Today's question is: what are solids, liquids, and gases? Everything around us is made of matter, and matter exists in three common states: solids, liquids, and gases. These states describe how the tiny particles inside a substance are arranged and how they move. Even though we can't see these particles with our eyes, they determine why a rock feels hard, why water can be poured, and why air spreads throughout a room. Learning about these three states helps us understand how the world around us works every day. A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume because its particles are packed closely together and only vibrate in place. This is why a chair, book, pencil, or toy keeps its shape even when you move it. A solid does not easily change its form unless it is cut, broken, melted, or bent. The tightly packed particles make solids strong and stable, allowing them to support weight and keep their structure. A liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape because its particles are close together but can slide past one another. This allows liquids to flow and take the shape of any container they are poured into. Water in a glass, milk in a bottle, or juice in a cup may look different depending on the container, but the amount of liquid stays the same. This ability to flow makes liquids useful for drinking, washing, cooking, and many other daily activities. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume because its particles are spread far apart and move freely in all directions. Gases expand to fill any space available, which is why air, oxygen, helium, water vapor, and carbon dioxide spread out and fill the space around them. For example, helium fills a balloon and makes it float, while oxygen is the gas we breathe to stay alive. Although we usually cannot see gases, we can feel them when the wind blows or notice them when we smell perfume or food.